Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IKSR Chemistry classes. Here we are in lecture number 9 on IR spectroscopy applied to inorganic chemistry. This video has been prepared in accordance with the syllabus of MSc final year inorganic chemistry students. It will be also useful to NET JRF and GATE aspirants. In this video, we will discuss the complexes formed by nitrite ion, that is NO2 minus ion. And among these complexes, nitro and nitrito complexes are the most important. Two Lewis structures can be drawn for the NO2 minus ion as follows. These are two Lewis structures for NO2 minus ion, structure number 1 and structure number 2. These are called resonating structures for NO2 minus ion. In the resonating structure 1, the monovalent oxygen atom contains 3 lone pairs of electrons and negative charge. The divalent oxygen atom contains 2 lone pairs of electrons and no charge, while the trivalent nitrogen atom contains 1 lone pair of electrons and no charge. The resonating structure 2 is obtained by the movement of electron in this direction. These two resonating structures are equivalent and they contribute equally to the resonance hybrid. Neither structure 1 nor structure 2 represents the actual situation of NO2 minus ion. The actual situation of NO2 minus ion is represented by the weighted mean by the resonance hybrid of resonating structures 1 and 2, and it is given here. 3 is the resonance hybrid, which is the weighted mean of these two resonating structures. There is one pi bond in NO2 minus ion which is distributed between two positions, and hence at one position there are 1 sigma bond and 0.5 pi bond. Overall nitrogen oxygen bond order is 1.5, and the same bond order is also here. Here the bond order is also 1.5. 1 pi bond is distributed between two positions, and hence at one position the number of pi bonds is 0.5. One negative charge is delocalized over both the oxygen atoms, and hence the charge on one oxygen atom is minus half, and the charge on other oxygen atom is also minus half, and these two can be collectively represented as -1, which is delocalized on both the oxygen atoms. This is the resonance hybrid. This is the actual structure of NO2 minus ion. Remarkable facts about the structure of NO2 minus ion. Two resonating structures of NO2 minus ion are equivalent, and hence they contribute equally to the resonance hybrid. Both the nitrogen oxygen bonds of nitrite ion have the same bond order, 1 sigma plus 0.5 pi, that is 1.5 is the bond order of nitrogen oxygen bond. NO2 minus ion has lone pair of electrons on all its 3 atoms, on nitrogen atom as well as both the oxygen atoms. Lone pair of electrons are present, and hence NO2 minus ion can be coordinated to the metal ion in a number of ways, and such ligands are called ambidentate ligand. NO2 minus ion is thus an ambidentate ligand. Now the question arises how we can define ambidentate ligand. The ligand which can be bonded to the central metal ion through one or more of its various donor atoms is called an ambidentate ligand. The ligand which can be bonded to the central metal ion through its one or more of its various possible donor atoms is called an ambidentate ligand. A few examples are given below: NO2 minus ion, cyanide ion, thiocyanate ion, etc. Let us see the structures of these ambidentate ligands. NO2 minus ion can be coordinated through oxygen atom, this oxygen atom, and nitrogen atom also to the central metal ion. Cyanide ion can be coordinated to the central metal ion through carbon atom or nitrogen atom because both of them have lone pair of electrons. Similarly, thiocyanate ion can be coordinated to the metal ion through sulfur atom or through nitrogen atom. All these three are examples of most common ambidentate ligands. Various modes of linkages of NO2 minus ion. The structure of NO2 minus ion, that is nitrite ion, is given here. It has lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom, this oxygen atom also, and nitrogen atom. It can be coordinated to the central metal ion in various modes, and four important of them are discussed here. The NO2 minus ion can be coordinated through this nitrogen atom to the central metal ion, and the complexes formed in this way are called nitro complexes. If NO2 minus ion coordinates to the central metal ion through nitrogen atom, the complex formed is called nitro complex. NO2 minus ion can also be coordinated to the central metal ion through its oxygen atom, and the complex formed in this way is called nitrito complex. At the same time, NO2 minus ion can be coordinated to the central metal ion through its both the oxygen atoms, and the complex compound formed in this way is called chelating nitrito complex. In this mode of linkage, NO2 minus ion acts as a bidentate chelating ligand which forms four-membered cyclic ring on coordination to the central metal ion. And ultimately, NO2 minus ion can act as a bridging ligand in which it coordinates to the central metal ion through nitrogen atom and oxygen atom simultaneously. NO2 minus ion acts as a bridging ligand between two metal atoms, and it coordinates through nitrogen and oxygen atoms. Modes of vibration of NO2 minus ion. NO2 minus ion is a non-linear triatomic ion, and hence it has three fundamental modes of vibration as calculated below. Number of fundamental modes of vibration is given by 3n-6 for non-linear molecules, where n is the number of atoms present in the molecule. In this case, overall 3 atoms are present in NO2 minus ion, and hence n equals to 3. It will be 3 multiplied by 3 minus 6, that is 9 minus 6, and the overall result is 3. It is obvious that NO2, which is a non-linear triatomic ion, has three fundamental modes of vibration. And these three fundamental modes of vibration of NO2 minus ion are represented below. This is symmetric nitrogen-oxygen stretching, in which both the nitrogen-oxygen bonds are undergoing expansion, and the frequency of symmetric NO stretching is represented by nu S. The other mode of vibration is asymmetric NO stretching, in which one NO bond undergoes expansion while the other NO bond undergoes compression, and it is denoted by nu A. And the third fundamental mode of vibration is bending mode of vibration, in which this bond angle changes periodically and it is denoted by delta NO2. These are three fundamental modes of vibration of NO2 minus ion. Let us see first of all nitro complexes. Free NO2 minus ion exhibits absorption bands due to symmetric stretching, asymmetric stretching, and bending modes of vibration at 1250 cm inverse, 1335 cm inverse, and 8 to 9 cm inverse respectively. Free NO2 minus ion exhibits three fundamental bands in the IR spectrum due to symmetric stretching, asymmetric stretching, and bending modes of vibrations at these wave numbers. Symmetric NO stretching is obtained at 1250 cm inverse. The asymmetric NO stretching band is obtained at 1335 cm inverse, this one, and bending mode of vibration leads to an absorption peak at 8 to 9 cm inverse. If NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the metal ion through its nitrogen atom, the complex compound formed is called nitro complex. There is resonance of pi bond in the nitro complex also, like free NO2 minus ion. If NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the metal ion through its nitrogen atom, the complex compound formed is called a nitro complex. And there is resonance of pi bond in the nitro complex also, as happens in the case of free NO2 minus ion. It can be represented as follows. NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the metal ion through its nitrogen atom, and there is resonance of pi bond in the nitro complex also. 1 and 2 are resonating structures for the nitro complex, and their resonance hybrid is given as 3. One pi bond is distributed over 2 positions, and hence at one position the number of pi bonds is 0.5. Thus, in nitrito complexes, both the nitrogen oxygen bonds have the same bond order, 1 sigma 0.5 pi, that is 1.5. In nitro complexes, both the nitrogen oxygen bonds have the same bond order and it is equal to 1.5. The nitro complexes exhibit absorption bands in the IR spectra due to symmetric stretching, asymmetric stretching, and bending modes of vibrations in the wave number range given in the following table. The first absorption band is obtained due to symmetric stretching mode of vibration in the wave number region 1300 to 1340 centimeter inverse. The second absorption band is obtained due to asymmetric stretching in the wave number region 1370 to 1470 centimeter inverse, while the third absorption band is obtained due to bending mode of vibration in the wave number range 820 to 860 centimeter inverse. Let us see it diagrammatically with an example. K3CONO2 whole 6. It is a nitro complex in which NO2 minus ion is coordinated to cobalt 3 plus ion through its nitrogen atom. It exhibits three absorption bands, one due to symmetric stretching at 1332 centimeter inverse, which falls in this range. The other one is obtained due to asymmetric stretching at 1386 centimeter inverse, which falls in this wave number range, while the third absorption band in the IR spectrum is obtained due to bending mode of vibration at 8 to 7 centimeter inverse, and its position falls in this wave number range. Let us now consider nitrito complexes. If NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the metal ion through one of its oxygen atoms, the complex compound formed is called nitrito complex. If NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the metal ion through one of its oxygen atoms, the complex compound formed is called a nitrito complex, and nitrito complex is represented here. NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the metal ion through its oxygen atom. It must be noted that there is no resonance in nitrito complex, and these two NO bonds have different bond orders. There is no resonance in the nitrito complex, and hence two NO bonds of NO2 group have. This is the nitrito complex in which there is no resonance of pi bond, and hence two NO bonds, one NO bond and other NO bond of NO2 group, have different bond order. Its bond order is 1, its bond order is 2. Different bond energy. These two bonds have different bond energies, different force constant, and hence different stretching frequencies. These two NO bonds have different bond order, different bond energy, different force constant, and hence different stretching frequencies, as evident from the following table. First absorption band is obtained due to a stretching of N single bond O in the wave number region 1050 centimeter inverse to 1110 centimeter inverse. The force constant of N single bond O is smaller, and hence wave number region is also smaller. The second absorption band is obtained due to a stretching of N double bond O at higher wave number range 1400 to 1500 centimeter inverse, while the third absorption band is obtained due to bending of mode of vibration of NO2 group in almost the same wave number region as in the case of nitro complexes 820 to 850 centimeter inverse. This is a nitrito complex which exhibits three absorption bands, one due to a stretching of NO single bond in the wave number region 1050 to 1110 centimeter inverse. The other absorption band is obtained due to a stretching of N double bond O in the wave number region 1400 to 1500 centimeter inverse. And the third one is obtained due to bending mode of vibration in the wave number region 820 to 850 centimeter inverse. Let us see an example. This is a nitrito complex in which NO2 minus ion is coordinated to cobalt triple plus ion through its oxygen atom. It exhibits three absorption bands in the IR spectrum. One due to a stretching of N single bond O at 1065 centimeter inverse, which falls in this range. The other absorption band is obtained due to a stretching of N double bond O at 1468 centimeter inverse, whose position falls in this range. And the third absorption band is obtained due to bending of NO2 group at 8 to 5 centimeter inverse, which falls in this wave number region. Thus, the nitrito complexes also exhibit three absorption bands but at different wave numbers in comparison to nitro complexes. Chelating nitrito complexes. In the chelating nitrito complexes, the NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the same metal ion through its both the oxygen atoms. If NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the same metal ion through its both the oxygen atoms, the complex compound formed is called chelating nitrito complex. Its structure is given here. Chelating nitrito complex in which NO2 minus ion is coordinated to the same metal ion through its both the oxygen atoms. When NO2 minus ion acts as a chelating bidentate ligand, the absorption band due to symmetric stretching of NO2 shifts to lower frequency. The absorption band due to asymmetric stretching of NO2 group also shifts to lower frequency. Both these absorption bands due to symmetric stretching and asymmetric stretching shifts to lower wave number region. Because both the oxygen atoms are attached to metal atom and the frequency of vibration of these two bonds will decrease in comparison to unidentate nitro complexes. In comparison to nitro complexes, the frequencies of both symmetric and asymmetric vibrations shifts to lower wave number region. It must be noted that there is resonance of pi bond in this mode of linkage also. In this mode of linkage, that is chelating nitrito complexes, both the nitrogen-oxygen bonds have the same bond order, that is 1.5, but the frequency of symmetric stretching and asymmetric stretching both shifts to lower wave number region because oxygen atoms are attached to metal atom and the freedom for vibration decreases. Let us comparison between unidentate nitro complexes and chelating nitrito complexes. Unidentate nitro complexes and chelating nitrito complexes. An example of unidentate nitro complex is given here, in which NO2 minus ion is coordinated to cobalt triple plus ion through its nitrogen atom, and in this complex NO2 minus ion is coordinated to zinc 2 plus ion through its both the oxygen atoms, forming chelating nitrito complex. Its nu S is 1332 centimeter inverse, while its nu S shifts to lower wave number region and it is 1171 centimeter inverse. This is lower than the stretching frequency, lower than symmetric stretching frequency of nitro complex. Asymmetric stretching band is obtained at 1386 centimeter inverse in nitro complex, while in chelating nitrito complex it again shifts to lower wave number region. It is lower than 1386 centimeter inverse. The bending mode of vibration produces an absorption peak at 8 to 7 centimeter inverse in this nitro complex, while the position of this absorption band shifts to higher wave number region at 850 centimeter inverse in the chelating nitrito complexes. Thus, nitro complexes and chelating nitrito complexes can be distinguished on the basis of position of absorption bands in the IR spectra. Now the time for self-assessment. The complex compound K4NiNO2 ONO2 exhibits absorption peaks at 1206, 1325, 1347 and 1387 centimeter inverse in the IR spectrum. Assign the absorption peaks to various modes of vibration. We have to assign these absorption peaks to various modes of vibrations. It must be noted that it is a nitro complex as well as nitrito complex, and absorption bands due to both are obtained. Here is the answer. The absorption band at the highest wave number may be assigned to highest wave number 1387 centimeter inverse to a stretching of N double bond O, while the absorption band at the lowest wave number 1206 centimeter inverse may be assigned to a stretching of N single bond O, while two remaining absorption bands 1325 centimeter inverse and 1347 centimeter inverse can be assigned to symmetric stretching and asymmetric stretching respectively. The absorption band at the highest wave number is due to a stretching of N double bond O. The absorption band at the lowest wave number is due to a stretching of N single bond O, while the absorption band at 1325 centimeter inverse is due to symmetric stretching of NO2 group, and the absorption band at 1347 centimeter inverse is due to asymmetric stretching of NO2 group. Bridging nitro complexes. The most probable bridging mode of linkage of NO2 minus ion is given below. NO2 minus ion is coordinated to this metal atom through nitrogen atom and to this metal atom through oxygen atom simultaneously. In this mode of linkage, NO2 minus ion is bonded to two same or different metal ions through its nitrogen atom and one of the oxygen atoms simultaneously. In bridging mode of linkage, NO2 minus ion is coordinated to two metal ions which may be same or different through nitrogen atom and oxygen atom. Let us see an example for it. This is a complex compound in which two cobalt triple plus ions are present as central metal ion. This cobalt triple plus ion is bonded to 3 ammonia molecules and 2 OH minus ions and 1 NO2 minus ion. Same situation is with this central metal ion. Here NO2 minus ion acts as a bridging ligand which is coordinated to cobalt triple plus ion through nitrogen atom and to this cobalt triple plus ion through oxygen atom. It exhibits absorption bands due to a stretching of N double bond O and N single bond O. This complex compound exhibits NO2 frequencies at 1516 cm inverse and 1200 cm inverse due to N double bond O and N single bond O stretching respectively. This absorption band is obtained at higher wave number region because its force constant is higher. It is obtained at 1516 cm inverse due to a stretching of N double bond O, while the absorption band due to a stretching of N single bond O is obtained at 1200 cm inverse. Thank you for watching the video with patience. Please like and share. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it so that you may get information regarding my incoming videos in time. Thank you again.